everybody, it's Tiffany from The Organized Option. I'm just here today with a quick little video about how to assemble your basic boxes. And this is actually how to assemble almost anything that we make. It's so fast and so easy. I'm going to flip to my overhead so you can get a better look at it. So this is a basic box. When you get them, they're going to come flat like most of our products. The most important thing about assembling these is that on all the score lines, you get a nice fold on that before you actually start the assembly process, right? Not only is that going to make the assembly process easier, it's also going to give you a straighter edge on your box. Once you get all your score line folded, you're just going to go around and insert the tabs into each of the notches, right? So just work your way around the box and slipping those tabs in. They're a little hard to push in sometimes, so if you go a little bit at an angle, it's going to be a little bit easier. Listen for that nice snap. You know it's in all the way. Perfect. There we go. Last side. And now you've got a nice, easy assembled basic box. So if your sides aren't straight up and down, you can just give it a little tuck like this. That's going to pull everything in and give you those nice straight sides. One other tip, you might have noticed that I have a little C on the bottom of my box. That is the actual box letter, right? So all of the basic boxes have a letter designation. This is box C. I put that little C on there when I take it out of the package, and that way I know exactly which box it is. So if I need to reorder more or I want to hook another one together, it's easy for me to find the same box or order the same box that I need. Thanks so much for tuning in today on how to assemble your basic boxes. I'll talk to you soon.